Oh, so yeah, hey guys, probably I'll wait. Currently I'm bearish. We have this SMT with previous day high, and we are like respecting this 5 minute gap, respecting this 5 minute gap. It should push to this 4 hour and hourly gap. Uh, so let's see what happens. I don't like trading like market open. This should actually push. And do you like this color or just let me know once. Do you like this color or this one? This one. Is this color better or with green? Like green or white? We have this SMD, so it really doesn't matter if it wants to go lower. I want it to go lower. So there's something like this would be ideal. Like go down to this, push higher like this, or all something like this. This 1 minute is like holding properly. After this rejection, this trade is nice. Sorry. People who trade like negative RR, this is their go-to trade. I could have taken this trade. Break even there, like like this, and kind of see if it can hold till TP. It should push like with volume. Like the pass was like so super clear today. Right here we have this SMT. This 15-minute gap is holding. Okay, 1 hour, 1 hour we had this gap. So if you took any trades here, break even here. And yeah, every gap got respected here. This 5 minute also got respected. And right here we invest 5 minute. This would have been also a great trade. And we are holding this 5 minute gap right here. Inversion here, holding this gap here, holding this 15 minute here. SMT shorts till this 4 hour low. Why does it have to be like this in like pre-market? Okay, target hit. See, this would have played out this trade right here. Now, is there any other reaction point that's like hourly order block, 4 hour order block? Or are we gonna hold this SMT and dump? I want price to like trade low higher because of these relative equal highs. And we didn't trade into this previous day high. We're tapping that previous day EQ, SMT right here. Uh, let's see. But the way it's pushing down, I feel I'll go more further than that. No, it really depends on like this 15-minute gap right here. This is like the last from this low to this high. This is the last fair gap. It should hold. Ah, five. We'll see how it closes. Right now, it's like super bearish. So sleepy. Clearly, that 15-minute gap is holding. 3, 5. And it really depends on like this 4-hour candle also. Like it'll close in 20 minutes. So we have to be careful. Will it close below or above? Because right here, this did close above, this did close above. Feeling like this will hold and then push price higher. If it doesn't, like we are inverting here, there's like a failed inversion. If this inverts right here, it should target till here. This gap should hold and push price higher. But we have like bunch of low resistance liquidity. Right here, NQ trades into this 15-minute gap. ES like fails to do that. Let's just start 11 a.m. gap. Yep, this also tapped. Okay, that's nice rejection. Okay. Yep, I'm just gonna go bearish forever today. What are we doing? I really have to wait for this 15-minute closure at least, like in 2 minutes. Are we gonna close below or not? Because like if this 15-minute like closes below this, I can some sort of enter in this 5-minute trade right here, like a 5-minute continuation, trade higher somewhere here, then try taking shots. Because we have this bunch of low resistance liquidity, and yeah, and we'll be sticking to this trend overall right here, just like a market maker sell model, see if it can close somewhere. Yep, probably will close below. I'm scared of these relative equal highs. I feel like market will come there sometime sooner. Either I can counter trend trade till this 5-minute right here. 15 does nothing. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, ES failed to do that. NQ did close below this. I'll trust NQ though. Okay, we can stick to some continuation trade. Bit more premium and then. Come on, man, just go higher. Can really keep this low as my break even. Is that an hourly low? Yeah, it's an hourly low. Nice drop. I took that. This comes exactly at that 50% mark. We're approaching this previous DEQ. Oh my god, the first trade would have been like a banger. 177 points. Just give me a trade for like continuation at least. Okay, I'll probably take this trade. It's a good one. If you invert, we tap that previous day EQ, nice level. Really, really nice level. You have like we never like retraced properly. At least one retracement expect, but I have to fight this trend. It's fine. Wow. We took out this hourly low also. If that's a sweep, it's good. And we are making SMT also like this. It's a 4 hourly low SMT. Previous day Q tap. Is there a 2 minute? Oh, I really wanted to close up. This candle has to close. Others have to wait for a 2 minute closure. Flip. Yes. Man, just let me be in this trade for life. Uh, 5 limit there. What is happening? Got up there. Bro, this internet. Overall, it's like damn good setup. Have to be careful if there's a 15 minute, no 5. Yeah, it's good. Careful about ES. If it taps here, break even. Uh, Also have a very good second. Come on, push, push. Oof, 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 oof. It's a very good setup. Oof. 15 minutes gonna close in like 5 minute. Why is it consolidating? Bruh. If this trade doesn't hit TP, I won't trade at all. December. It's like the cleanest trade which I can get. I'm just fighting overall trend. That's the only part. Finally, nice push. Okay, yes, also has like good highs. Okay, that's a nice push. Oh, damn, nice. Really good. 15 is gonna close in 2 minutes. It should just run. Okay, 300 running. One more. Come on, yep. Did it take out that high? If it takes out this high, it's gonna be break even. We made relative equal highs. Okay, break even there. Okay, one more push, and I'm all out. One tick, bro. Come on. How hard is it? I'm getting edged out right now. 15 is gonna close in 1 minute. How hard is it to go one tick? Oof, oof. 15. I need like a good closure, otherwise I have to close here. It will create like this 15-minute high right here. It really depends on this 22 seconds. Otherwise I have to close it here. Okay, volume picked up and died. New 4-hour candle. How hard is it to hit this TP? We straight up rejected. What is happening? It's edging my break even. It edged my TP. Ah, such a good trade. How it didn't go till this 5-minute high, I still don't understand. I was up like 420 something. This was about $500. How much was it? Sell for, yeah, it was around 468 for like $60 calm. How did I hit the worst break even after this push? See, the thing is that I was thinking of like taking my profits here. Whenever I take profits here, it usually pushes way too good. And when I don't take, it hits my break even. The 4-hour closed bearish. I think what stream latency is more. Yeah, it is a bit more because it starts lagging. My network sometimes goes bad. So yeah, had the worst possible break-even trade. And now I'll go to my TV. It sucks, bro. Now this like sure shot will go. We'll inverse here. This 1 minute inversion. I'll try one more time though. Can I enter? I don't want to enter, that's the thing. We'll leave this trade. It's rejecting properly. It's better that leave this high. It's better. Let's wait for this 15-minute high to be taken out and then look for like some sort of continuation shots. I didn't like this because of how we are reacting here. It might like end up working because we inverted here. Why didn't my this thing? Wait. Is it the scam? Here the 5 minute got hit. I put a I put notification here. How it didn't ring? How it didn't ring? I literally put a what do you call alert. I literally put alert here. No wonder I got stopped at break even. Oh, like so silly mistake. How it didn't hit? What is wrong? When I hear like sound right here, I put alert. I know. Check my stream. I literally put alert on this 5 minute here. Uh, Trading you scammed me. I think 15 minute got tapped here. Yeah, that's why it's reacting very slow right now. This 15 minute also got tapped here. Man, that could have been a winner banger trade. Got tapped there, so we have SMT right here. Uh, it's like a 2 minute inversion, which I have to wait. and I feel like uh, it's a nice fill. Continuation shots. We tapped this 15-minute gap. We have a 70 with like that 15-minute gap. Have this 4-hour low or all this bearish. This would be break even. There's a 2-minute inversion there. This is the previous 4-hour low. So probably target there. Should push. Just continue this bearish direction. We trade into that 50% mark. Like literally 4-hour is also bearish. So we tap that 4-hour gap. We noted here. It's fine. I need like a good volume, otherwise I feel like it's gonna hit break even. Because the break it has to be here. And for God's sake, please, if it reaches here, alert me. I didn't get alerted there like last time, like here. Break even. It's God works to do. I feel like it's break even. Ah, but the break even has to be there. And the shot was actually nice, to be very honest. I just needed like a good volume to push. In my mind, I knew it's gonna hit break even, but not this one. Enough complaining. Sorry for that. The PA. Come on. See, this is the 4-hour open, low, high, close, something like that. Are you gonna do that? Because we swept out and closed back inside the range. Sorry, sorry. This. Look at that break even, so good. Price is choppy though. Need volume. Thing is that we it knows us hourly. I trust hourly pretty much like so many times. Okay, this is some taste like holding. Since you're more experienced than me, is PA like this every December, almost every December? Yep, the PA is always like that. This like this December is actually better than the last one, to be very honest. We are at least seeing moves like this, but it doesn't happen like usually. December is like this, the one which is happening right now. So yeah, it's mostly the thing is that like mainly it's US based derivative. I feel like gold would move better than yeah, gold would move better than NQ since NQ is mainly traded in US and we have like Christmas, we have like so many holidays, so bank will be closed, and people who work in hedge fund, all this like liquidity providers, they'll also go like they go for like holidays and stuff. So that's why there won't be any volume to like push the price more. And yeah, whatever you get is like through few operators. This is still better though. Next week you'll die, you'll kill yourself. And then in January, volume starts to pick. But January start is also like pretty bad. So February will be good. March will be good. April will be the best. April, May, June. April, May is actually the best price action we'll see. And then after that, July is also good. And after that, it's like normal. Me expecting delay protection today, looking for longs. I'm looking for shorts right here, which is happening. But in my mind, I knew this was very. So the trailing drawdown sucks for me. I can't take trailing drawdowns. This for me, it like moved down how many points? At least it showed me $200 loss here and then $400 profit here. So I have to take this whole $600 loss. That's the worst part of like trailing. It trails like slowly, but still around 300 to 400, I have to take that. It considers as a loss. Shots are like fine. Should push. Thus, if I got alerted, I would have like closed my trade 100%. I usually do that because I knew it won't move more higher than that. We are fighting the overall bearish trend. This thing didn't alert. I know I have put this alert right here. Did say it alerted. What was this high again? 58. Yeah, see this alert. NQ, this ES. Why is it showing 58 there? I, I'll check that in stream. But I know that I clicked. And also, do you guys like this color or the white background one? The white one. Just let me know once. This is how it looks. White color background. The one which I using like for like past 5 6 months. And this is the one which I'm currently using. Let me know, is it green or white? This long would have played out if I didn't keep myself to break even. No, we have like proper low resistance liquidity. Look at this again. This previously EQ holds so good. I could have like tried what do you call taking trade when like a bullish candle closes after this. If it taps this EQ. I would have been like a multi-millionaire if I did that before. I'll raise this 15-minute high. From there, finally, I can try to take trade, like decide whether I want to take or not. That's the 4 hour high. I think it's somewhere. Oh, Why are we rejecting? Seriously? Wait, inverse? I still won't take this trend. Oh, the current one looks better. Fine. Try to keep this. This. uh, Okay. Not taking the shot right here. It might end up working out, but I really want this 15-minute high to be taken out. We made like relative equal highs right here. Even on ES it didn't take out this 50. Oh, it did take out, right? Ah, and this would go down. I remember this was the SMD. Yeah, not this. Oh, it is printing barcodes. This 5 minute is literally a barcode right now. I'm lagging right now. The laptop started to heat up. There. It's not worth the risk of taking this trade. Probably like this. But by second. Would have entered at this inversion. Stops here. Right here. But since we have relative highs, not taking this. I feel like this is like a scam inversion. Yep. Oh damn. This is a good one. This is good one. This should actually push here. This has to push. Otherwise, I don't know trading anymore. This has to push. Look at that candle. I would have been happy to enter here. Long like this. Stop loss can be easily be here. Okay, 1 to 1 like this. If it doesn't hit here, I'm leaving trading. Need to search any other career to do on December. Oh my God, we're actually printing barcodes. 5 minute is a literal barcode. 3 minute is actually I can scan and pay something. I want to know how many accounts action. If I only had a data. My chart is like bullish white, bearish black, and background is AC, AC, AC. Okay, I'll try it later. Just send a screenshot on like Discord or something. No, it'll be way better. Nah, man. This is not a price action to be trading. We actually look at this. This is the highest time frame inversion. We noted here. Okay. And literally reversed. Then we inverted these gaps right here. This is like too good inversion. Okay. Like A plus plus inversion. And we are rejecting from that. This 3 minute is actually a barcode. It's always because of this distribution. Okay. Why did it happen? Because we accumulated. This was like accumulation phase. We kind of manipulated, created this SMT, distributed like heavily when the market opened. We distributed pre-market, we distributed when the market opened. So after every distribution, there's an accumulation. After accumulation, if manipulation comes better, otherwise distribute. It did hit Q3 levels. The overall trend is clearly bearish and like 15 minute. This got balanced, but take the side, the slow. We kind of came to this see high low 50%. We came to the 50%. I would have liked if it took out the side, but it did reach 50% rejecting from there. So there's a high, sorry, lower low, lower high, probably a lower low. Only if it did this, I would have been in a trade right here. Come here, take out this 15-minute high, any inversion here, like this, any inversion, this would have been my trade. And we failed this SMT also. So this is lower, sorry, lower low, lower high. From the previous lower high, we will like fail. This SMT, if it takes out the side, it means our SMT failed, not the side. It finally, it, it's, uh, this is the 4 hour low. Now it's giving alerts. It comes on my phone also. It comes on my email ID also, the alert. Oh my God, we straight up dumped from there. I don't trust it anymore. We inverted here, again we inverted here. This inversion actually holded and it pushed price below. So this SMT clearly failed. That is the 4 hour low. Look out this 4 hour low. Next is here. This would be better because it's a 4 hour intermediate low. We are actually taking out this 15-minute intermediate low. Yep, that's a 15-minute intermediate low. And we tapped this 15-minute order block. So either I feel like it's gonna be a 3-minute inversion which I have to take longs. It was gold though. I really wanted to trade gold today. Again, look at this. High, low, came to this EQ. Nice rejection from here. Again, gold is super bullish. Respected gap right here, disrespected here. Again, disrespected this gap right here. Hourly was bullish. 15. 15 just took out this. I think it's 4 hour high. I feel like I could like take a retracement trade. Price is too balanced though. Yeah, so this we rejected. It's better if it taps this low and then gets some bullish reaction out of it. Right now, it's like too sold up to like look for sells. Retrace. So it's No 5 minute candle. Again, there's a 5 minute high right here. This out, took this out, you took this out. The slow is like super close. Respect push lower. PS took that. PS doesn't even have that low. It's right here, this is an unfilled low. It's like very good chances I'll go to this previous day low. Yep. We already have this divergence here, but this low should be taken out now. Oh, there's an unfilled hourly gap. Okay, took both. Any longs is fine. High time frame, inversion. Yep. Bro, do you get any payouts in futures? Yeah, I did. I have posted on Discord. Sometimes I don't do. My friends and family follow. Mainly because of my friends, they follow. Don't tell me it's gonna go again 100 points to the previous day low. Come on, man. There's a last. It has to give some reaction from here. Okay. Let, let us wait for ES to sweep previous day low. And there's nothing that I can kind of see. But I'm taking reversal out of this. Continuation, previous day low, tap here, then push lower. Something like that would be better. So 15-minute candle open. This is where it decides. It took out the slow. Oh my God. Today it took out, yeah, it took out previous day low. Yeah, SMT here. 3, 5. Everything has a fair value. Yeah, so a bit tricky. See if I can gain it. Like some 15 minutes of worse quality today. I already took liquid trades. If I want to like try high risk to reward trades, I would have done right here. It has to have a 1 minute break also. So goes about this. Take long, still good, something like that. Yeah, we have like 1 minute break or something. This is like both a trade for a very high risk to reward like this. It's already giving me 1 to 1, I guess. Yep, 1 to 1 done. Now my stocks have been break, when we run. Because right now we are in this 3 minute gap. when you started trading around 2.5, 3 years back. I had like a long history of trading. Started with options, like Indian options. No, I started with equity. I remember I started with Indian equity trading, then moved to futures and options, and go really well, switched to Forex. And from Forex, I'm to futures. Probably I won't switch from futures last time. I might probably switch to like US options. It's better volatility, but not Indian. Indian markets are very rigged. It's very manipulative. Who are selling the stocks? How's crypto? Feel like dead. This weekly fair value gap is like so good at holding. 10 close below here, 10 close below here. I feel like I thought it'll close, but it didn't go. Just a bit higher, then do here. Probably the scandal will this week it'll just push higher till 95K at least. Okay, it took previous day low on MQ also. I was risking 450 to $500 probably. I'll plus 300 if I get a trade done. It's going like too bearish. I don't think so. It's stopping anytime soon. I feel like December I should switch my strategy to like taking breakout trades. Like look at this trend line breakout, just take it. Like here also trend line manipulated, push higher, breakdown. Here also, also like bigger trend line from here to here. Where to that? Nah, thing like this. Yep. Look at this trend line breakout. They were gonna stop. It's not giving me any reversal trades also. It's not giving me any continuation trade also. 925. I'll go in like 5 more minutes. Out of my boundaries to trade. Do you take any trades? I just joined. I took two trades, two break evens. I feel like this is not gonna stop anytime soon. Just and I tapped this previous EQ rejection. Oh, we had longs right here. If volume starts to pick up 5 minute, 3 minute, if volume starts to pick, I might enter longs here. Break even exactly right here. So very quick trade. Target that 5 minute, that until five. But I will risk less though. Yes. But it has to do it in like 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Otherwise, we'll have this 5 minute gap, this 3 minute gap also. I can take trade on like 3 minutes, but this 5 minute will be there. And I feel like go bearish push. Yep. I can see that I can predict future little bit because I can see trade of it account. Next low would be this low. This I feel like probably will go tomorrow. See how market maker model works. So nicely it has done. From here, market maker buy model. From here, continuously sell model. Respecting this fair value gap, this fair value gap. Converting here, roll push here. Okay, we're gonna have one more 5 minute candle here. It's 9:30 also. New hourly candle will open. I feel like NQ will have like higher targets tomorrow. I don't think so. I'll reach 12 this higher now after it done this many points. Okay, hourly candle. Yeah. Close about this though. It should close about previous day low. Will be nice. Not happening. No. We have now this 5 minute as 15 minute gap. 5 minute. 5 minute doesn't. I technically have to take this 5 minute to this 15 minute gap. This 3 minute does invert. I'll enter with half. After that 5 minute inverts, probably enter a few more. Man, like hitting break even trade sucks the most. Can you show that FX4 indicator? I can find that. It's by 2 degrees. Where is it? This one. FX4 model degree by like 2 degrees. The way the 3 minute is closing, it should push higher. The early candle take the previous hour. No. If it took out the slow, it would have been nice. It's about to tap these critical highs last 5 minute. Uh, the market is very hard today. Put these two trades. Probably will have like a run higher. This R. Tap that 5 minute. Might probably end up taking this 5 minute cap. This inversion right here. It stops below 40. S- the thing is that my win rate on 5 minute is like pretty bad right now, especially in December. Mainly I'm getting trades on like 5 minute. It happens like this. It'll just push out of nowhere. It'll randomly push one side like 500-600 points, and then we'll have only one inversion that's 5 minute last times payment. 3 minute into 5 minute has. Okay, so this is 5 minute inversion. I'll try waiting and take one trade if it kills, otherwise done. It has to note this candle itself. Otherwise, like one candle like down and then third candle it's again low probability. Has some plans to do finally. I don't have 2 minute. Why do I keep forgetting that? Honest. This risk for risk by stop loss would be 400. No, there's not the day. Oh my god, don't just reject now. Need to, oh, 5 minute is here. It's like, what is happening with like 5 minute? This has to invert. And half. It's now bro, hitting losses hurt differently. Yeah, it does, but I feel like for me, hitting break even hurts because I probably for like losses, if you like overtrade or something, hitting losses will hurt. Me personally, I hate, and if it hits like break even and then it goes to like TP, it hurts the most. Come on, man, we swept out previous day low. Nice inversion until 5 minute. Just invert it. If it doesn't invert in this candle in like 30 seconds, I'm going. There's no way. Kind of taking like a reversal out of this. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, got tagged also. Oh, damn, nice. Oh, damn. $170 in like 1 second. Ouch. That was a nice reaction. No, just don't reject. Just push higher. I don't have a break-even spot. What just happened right there? The break-in would be this again. My 5 minute is like actually my 5 minute win rate is like pretty bad. 5 minute inversions. Less risk though. But the short. Because overall we swept out this previous day low. Look at this term, at least target 50% mark. It's not in 50% mark, it's just a 15-minute high. Like we have market successive, everything which aligns. There's something which is happening. Why is my chart stuck? Okay, bro. Didn't expect this. Lost $350. Yep, my 5 minute inversions only I shouldn't take. How is 5 minute failing out of all the inversions? Did you see that like initial reaction when it took the trade? Just went and then now it's dumping. Bruh. I knew like I kind of wanted like an inversion here to like keep my stocks to break even when this happened, but oh my god, look, uh, because I feel like this didn't invert. That's one of the reason it didn't go higher right here. Yep, that's one of the reason. Like ES didn't invert and Q inverted, but I never considered that to be very honest. I should start looking at this. I'm done. I'm done. Two break and one loss. Yeah, guys. You have any questions you can ask? Uh, check BDC trying to empty wallets. Ask BDC. Oh my God. In this we have like, okay, there's like weird price action to be very honest. Second first time 850. Why did we pump on like 822 out of nowhere? This is like random, but yeah, something wrong. Bro, what is happening? Bro, December is like my worst week ever. Last week I went in negative, probably this week also. And uh how many? I've taken 6 or 7 5 minute inversions and always 5 minute fails. Always 5 minute fails. This 5 minute failed today also. Because I feel like sixth or seventh 5 minute trade I've been taking. If I know down like it'll go to like 33% win rate or something. On like 1 to 1, it's very bad. Oh, took out this low. Again, we're gonna have like a 5 minute inversion here. Yeah, guys, I'll just close my trade. I was actually not feeling like I should take any trades right here when it started reading barcode. लाइव स्ट्रीम में हो जाता. See, if I take any trade, probably one more long if possible. I'll see. I'll update you guys. I have to go eat right now. So yeah, take care. Right, bro. December is horrible, horrible for me. So yeah. Bye bye. What's your win rate in 1 minute? It's close to like 70 to 60%. It's around 60, 65%. Right here. 1 second. 1 minute is 75% here, but this is like more like back testing, and recently I started adding. So it should be around 60%, at least 60%, 60 to 65. Highest was 3 minute for me. Yeah, highest is 3 minute. So 3 minute gives me like proper. Plus Wednesday, right? Wednesday also have like bad win rate. It's 50-50. Start adding. So I'll have like proper data. But for me, like December is not the month to trade, to be very honest. Like everyone I see like stop trading. Everyone I know who trades. Again, look at this. In 1 minute, we're gonna have this 5 minute gap right here like this, and probably fail that too if possible. Otherwise, I'll go. If it gives like again a 5 minute, if not ever gonna take that. If I can't see this. So another gap here. Yeah, these two inversion would be better in like 3 minutes. Can you share your notion? It's everywhere, bro. I've made video also. Like check the first video which I have made in my YouTube channels. That only. I've shared like I just shared it on my Discord. Everyone asked. I put some at least 30 to 40 messages on like tablet. Just check out on like Discord. I just put that. Just, uh, yep, look at this. Made a 5 minute gap right here. Not gonna take. Bye bye. That's what tells me to like close my trading day. To be very honest, I feel like what's the time? 9:50, right? Now it's lunchtime. Yeah, we'll start like lunchtime. This, I should close my trading at this time. What is this? 9:30. This whole thing is my trading time. This trade I took after my trading time. Now lunch hours will come. Lunch hours will be horrible. Yep, I'm done. Probably I won't. I'm going home. Won't be taking any like. I'll be taking trades. Can't stream for like till 23rd or 24th. For a week I can't. So next to next week I'll come. I'll be trading this well chart funded account as well. So that's the thing. I need to get a payout in that. But it's so bad. I don't want to. Shit. I still haven't paid the activation like PA fees for that. And I literally genuinely don't want to pay also. That app is so horrible. In that my plan is like get 1K payout if possible. Otherwise, get whatever you can, put it on like get 100K or 200K funded or instant funded is like funding is better. 3D5 instant funded or something. Just down here, CSD, stop something like this. Break in here. And stop trading CSD. CSD also used to happen like this 5 minute inversion. It just keeps like kept on failing, so decided to like skip that part. We still haven't tapped that 5 minute. Okay, if we tap here, here we didn't create that gap. If it doesn't tap this high, I can take a very quick trade, but most probably it'll be break even, otherwise a good win. And just try it like it also. It shouldn't take up this high. It took out that high. So again a 5 minute. Like this, not taking this. It was good luck. So yeah, guys, I'll be going. I don't know if it's just me or the discount. Oh, I have to change.